You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 66 over 49. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the fraction. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 66 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 49. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is x equals 66 over 49.